Hi guys, to receive this leaf leveling rake for event purposes, and I think it's quite nice. I will use it here on my patio to level up. I have some type of sand that isn't level up, so I think it's a great option to have. So let's check it out. It comes perfectly wrapped in paper wrap, which is nice. So let's open it. Okay, now it's ready, so I'm gonna set it up right here. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to use. It's nice that it has a great fit, which is nice. It's just the perfect size. And it's really nice, very easy to assemble, very easy to disassemble, and great for leveling up your patio in a field, whatever you wanna use it. It's a great option to have, and I would really recommend it. See ya.